Teach an old dog new tricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for listening to this tutorial. I want to talk to you about adding things to the toolbar. Up here where it says Act, Help, Window, Table, Act is a software program I use and there's a little add-in. That's why we're seeing the word Act here. But there are different options up here across the file area. And I can actually add things to this gray area right here. And let me show you the one I like to add the most, and I really try to get my clients and my students to think about this. Well, let's say you're working on a document. And in previous tutorials, I've talked about the difference between file, save, and save as. But the thing I don't like about the fact that save as is right here, so close to save, is sometimes you might want to click save as, but if you move slightly, you might hit save by mistake. And they're so close, that has always bothered me. So what I'm going to illustrate is this. Let's add save as right up here to the toolbar, so it's not here, it's not close. And also, because it's up here, I think people will use it more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this bar right up here where there's no text, no writing. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says customize, and I'm going to click on that. Now, the one thing you do have to know before you go in here is where things are located. You can sort of look around for them, but it's better if you know where they're located. I know that save and save as are on the file menu right up on the left. So let's go back here to the file menu. I've clicked on that. It's actually the first one, so it was already selected. I'm going to come over here on the right, and I'm just going to scroll down until I see save as. There it is. I'm going to click on save as and hold. I'm going to drag it up here to the toolbar and release. And now what I've done is I've put save as right up there. Some of the items in this list have little symbols that go with them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Modify Selection, and I'm going to come down here and click on Change Button Image. I'm going to go over to the right and see the little smiley face. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that nothing happened. For some reason, it's a little quirk in the software. It doesn't go right in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and do that a second time. I'm going to go down and click on Change Button Image. I'm going to go back, click on the smiley face a second time, and now it's there. So if you want to add something to the toolbar, it's very easy to do, and now save as is right there. Now let me take this a step further. Let's say you would put something up on the toolbar and you actually want to get rid of it. You didn't use it, you didn't need it. Well, if you come in the same way, get in here to the Customize area, when this box is open, you can go up and click on these items and drag them either away or move them to a different area on the toolbar. So by just dragging it, and you'll notice when I drag it down, I get a little X. If I were to release right now, that would disappear. So you have a lot of options in here, and if you use Word all day long, these little options can make life a little bit easier should you decide you want to have them a little bit more convenient, especially for the things you work with all the time. So take those items, put them on the toolbar, and have a better experience with Microsoft Word. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much.